Want to build intelligent, automated conversations with AI that feels incredibly natural? First things first, you'll need a Twilio account. Head over to Twilio.com and sign up if you don't already have one. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Twilio console, your central hub for all things Twilio. You will need to purchase a phone number. Be sure to pick one that supports voice calls. Take note of your account SID and auth token. You'll need these later. Next, let's jump into Retell AI. Assuming you have an account, log into the Retell AI dashboard. Look for the integrations or settings section. The name may vary, but it's where you'll connect to other services. This is where you'll tell Retell AI what phone number to use. Inside the Retell AI platform, find the Twilio integration options. You'll be asked to input your Twilio account SID and auth token. Copy and paste these credentials from your Twilio console into the corresponding fields in Retell AI. Double check that the information is accurate to avoid any connection issues. After setting the integration, you will want to create a call flow. Design your conversational structure within Retell AI. This is where you define how your AI agent will interact with callers, decide how the conversation should progress, what information it should gather, and how it should respond. Be imaginative and explore all the different actions possible. Now, once you've configured the integration and call flow, it's time to test. Make a call to the Twilio phone number you selected. Monitor the call to ensure that the conversation flows as designed using the Retell AI agent of your choice. And that's it. You've successfully connected Retell AI to Twilio. You have now unlocked the power of conversational AI, ready to create amazing experiences for your customers.